Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Twitch black screen on PC. If you're getting this particular error on your PC when you're browsing Twitch, there's three things that you can do to resolve this problem. The first one has to do with extensions, and extensions can typically be found no matter what web browser you're using at the top right hand corner of your screen. So click on to extensions. For me it's that icon right there, and then you want to click on manage extensions. Now what you want to do is you want to disable your extensions one by one and then see which one is causing the problem. So, and also for an example, if you have an ad blocker, that's most importantly to go ahead and disable the ad blocker. Okay, and then what you want to do is once you've disabled all the extensions, you want to close the extensions tab and then just refresh Twitch to see if that fixes the problem. Just load up another stream and then you will see if it fixed the problem, and if it didn't, you can come to your search bar right here, and then there's this little lock icon. You can click on the lock icon and you can go to cookies and site data, and then you can go to manage on device site data, and then you click on that. And then you see Twitch TV and Twitch.tv data from the site you're visiting. So what you want to do is you want to click on delete and click on delete on the on device site data, and then click on done. And then you want to refresh Twitch once again to see if that fixes your problem. And then if it didn't fix your problem, you can go into your into your settings. So click on your settings of your web browser, then you want to click on to privacy and security, and then you want to go to, and then you want to click here where it says third-party cookies. Okay, click on third-party cookies, and then you want to click here where it says see all site data and permissions, and then you just want to search for here Twitch.tv, and you want to delete the cookies like that. So click on delete, and once you've done that, you can close that, close out of settings, and then refresh Twitch, and your problem should be resolved. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.